Hey guys, welcome to digit.in. Today we have with us the JVC Xtreme Xplosives wireless headphones. This is the FX103BT model. Before opening the box, let's take a look at the box itself. It's got Bluetooth 4.1 with a 10-meter range, and the back of the box has the specifications of the headphones. Now let's open up the box. The box contains the headphones themselves, a plastic carrying case which contains a micro USB charging cable, and an extra set of silicone ear tips. Along with that, you get the startup guide and a caution letter. Now coming to the headphones. Despite the base material being made of plastic, these headphones have a tough rubber exterior. These headphones are pretty ergonomic. They come with an 8.5 mm neodymium speaker driver providing an explosive sound. These headphones have a frequency response of 20 to 20,000 Hz with a nominal impedance of 16 ohms. The silicone ear tips have a decent amount of friction, preventing it from slipping off of your ear canal. Coming down on the right side of the headphones, you have the remote control with the power button or the call-in button or the play-pause button and the volume controls. At the top, you have an LED indication as well. At the back of the remote control, you see the inline microphone. On the side, on opening the flap, you see the micro USB charging port. These headphones do not have a neckband. It just hangs by a wire and does not have any protection either. However, the wire seems pretty sturdy and of high quality. These headphones have got a pretty standard battery life, providing 5 hours of playtime with 2.5 hours of charging time. So that's it guys, that was the unboxing of the JVC Xtreme Xplosives wireless headphones. Thank you for watching and goodbye.